Ever wondered what it takes to go from zero experience to landing a job as an AI engineer? Let's break it down, step by step. First up, Python. If you're totally new, don't worry. Start with the basics: variables, loops, functions. There are tons of free resources: YouTube tutorials, Codecademy, beginner projects on GitHub. The trick? Don't just watch. Type out the code yourself. Muscle memory makes it stick. Once you're comfortable with Python basics, level up with libraries like NumPy, Pandas. These are the bread and butter for data crunching. Try loading simple datasets, cleaning datasets, figuring out what the numbers mean. It's less about memorizing syntax and more about getting familiar with patterns. Next, let's talk about machine learning, the heart of AI engineering. Start simple, pick up scikit-learn, build a basic classifier, teach an algorithm to tell cats from dogs. Don't stress if your first model isn't perfect. The goal is to build, break, and learn. Once you've got the hang of it, explore more advanced topics: neural networks, deep learning, TensorFlow, PyTorch. But remember, don't rush. Each step builds on what came before. Theory only gets you so far. Real growth comes from projects: predicting sports scores, filtering spam emails, building a chatbot. Document your work on GitHub. Share your journey. It's your future portfolio. Let's not forget community. Join Reddit, join Discord, join Kaggle. Ask questions, join competitions, get feedback. You'll be amazed how much you learn from others. Lastly, stay curious. Curiosity is your superpower. Keep experimenting, keep building, keep connecting. You'll surprise yourself. Whether you're starting from scratch or upskilling, becoming an AI engineer is doable. All you need is patience, practice, a little bit of stubbornness. You've got this.